Hey guys, I'm Beans and that is Slovak. Two things, I just gotta piss a little. Right here.
Yeah, that's how the UZI looks like. Yeah.
Okay.
No,
Okay,
but the
first
missile.
Is your leg
No, but how would you see? Oh my god.
and you're about to join a race? Introducing the UZI. Is your legs disabled? Introducing the UZI. As you're about to join a race, not only can you walk with it, you can also fly.
Ah!
You can also fall.
What do you? Where am I? What do you? Oh my god, again.
Whoever made the game Bird Game, look at me. Whoever made this game, the Bird Game. Okay, you gotta piss.
Just as strong as Hulk, and you piss so badly. You just go like, bro, and they just start flying. They just start flying away. Just because your piss is just 10 times stronger than you.
Wait. Did you also drink too much, and you have to piss really hard? Well, this is what is gonna happen.
Go.
There's one rule. Whatever you do, don't piss down, because this is what's gonna happen.
Yeah. Just try to go. Just like try to go near a wall. Just try going near one, then piss. Just like go here and piss. But I won't fly.
Can I?
And don't do this or you'll fly away. Wait, no, what am I doing? Bye.
Bye.
Oh my god, I'm falling. I should go pissing.
Oh wait, no.
Hi. Let me get something.
Today, guys, I'm gonna call this "Making Jokes with a UZI." Good game.
Missile.
Editor, you bet.
Ah! Oh no! I got nuke. I'm spending on a nuke. Why do I hear beeping noises? Oh no. Oh no, I'm done. I don't. Why is it noise? Why is it noise floating? Oh, whatever.